So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you how to make this. It's actually very simple. So first of all, you're supposed to create a map comp. It's very simple too. I usually use 60 FPS. You can choose whatever one you want. Press next. And I usually use Bing Area and press create. Now let's just fit this per these three lines here and then the setting menu. And I usually just set these attributes to none, quality to 100% and press apply. Let's just center our map. So Greece is centered, and let's just download Greece by doing this. And then draw features. Now we need the flag of Greece. I already have these downloaded. You can just search Wikipedia for them. This is the flag. Always make it 3D. You can face so many issues if you don't do this. And track matte it to Greece. Descale it. Now import your branch texture. I use this one. You can choose whatever one you want. Make it 3D and track matte it to Greece. That's good. Now select all of them, unparent them, unlink them, or whatever you call it, and pre-compose them. Press this 3D icon and this one too, because if you don't do it, your map is not gonna look. It's gonna look very pixelated. Paint it to the map anchor. Now add a drop shadow effect. Like, you can play with the settings. I don't have a specific value for this. I just do it according to what looks best. This is good. Let's add our text, Greece, and our text preset. I think I love this one. Use whatever one you want, but I use these. And yeah, that's it. So we're gonna put keyframes here. And from the start, we want it to zoom in. So let's decrease the value to 5. Now that's too little. We need it. I use this graph. Sometimes these two, but mostly this one. Now we're gonna animate our text. Press P on a keyboard to reveal the position properties. And from the start, we want it to like do this. Add your graph. Yeah, that's good. Now we want it to zoom out and fit that empire. So to zoom out, we're gonna go forward like something like 20 frames. So 56. Let's do 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And zoom out a bit. So we need the empire. So for that, you can either draw it. I'm gonna tell you how to draw it. Or you can, if you have a GeoJSON file, you can use that. But I'm gonna tell you how to draw it. I usually use Wikipedia for my maps. Okay, so we've got our map here. So you can see it doesn't fit. If you decrease the transparency, it doesn't fit it because it's not the same projection. So to make it fit, let's just find it as one frame for our map so it looks neat. So to make it fit, we're gonna use the puppet tool. Take the anchor point and put it somewhere where I know it's, and then use the puppet tool. You want to like do this. I mean, it looks tedious, but it's not. So I actually enjoy doing this. Now, you need to make a shape layer like this. Choose this pen tool and make sure no layer is selected or else it's gonna draw a mask. And we don't want that, we want a shape layer. And now start making that shape layer. I can do it very fast. And we're done. We're finally done. It took me like 3 minutes or something. Now, from the GeoLess panels, press this plus thingy and make sure this is selected and features from there. Boom. We have it in the GeoLess panel. Now press this plus thingy again. Download features. And from here you want this ocean one. And now we're gonna select both. Make sure the ocean is underneath your shape layer. And from here press this subtract lower features. Boom. And draw features. By the way, you can also export them and keep them for yourself whenever you need them. This looks very good. Now we want to fade out animation for this Greece. Make a keyframe for opacity here. And one here. Decrease the value to 0. Add this graph. Yeah, this looks good. Let's also add a drop shadow. This symbol thingy. Good. Unlink them and pre-compose them. You can also like not pre-compose them, but I just like doing it because it makes my composition look cleaner. Like this one, it's called continuous de-rasterization. Change it to the map anchor. Add a drop shadow of it. This looks pretty good. And now we want like the fade in animation for this one. So make a keyframe for opacity here. On here with the value decreased to 0. And useful to add this graph. I love this flow plugin. It's just so much. It saves me so much time. Let's just increase this duration because I don't like it. It's too fast. This would be pretty good. Select all your keyframes. Yeah, this is good. Now it looks amazing. Okay. Now we're gonna animate the text. So let's just cut it real quick and do this. We're gonna change the position value of the first one. Let's just copy this one, paste it here. Press U on the second layer. And we essentially want this animation, so we're gonna do this. Macedonian Empire. Oh. Let's just decrease the size of the page big. This is pretty much done. We just have to add the shake. Before that, just finalize it.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Okay, so we're done with the finalization. Press N on the keyboard because our animation ends here, so we don't need this part. Now there are several ways of adding shakes. Some people add it within this, but I don't like doing that. Some people export it and add shakes in another project. I don't like that too. My way is a little different. What I do is I make a new composition and import this one, the previous composition on which we were working, and we want to shake here. So add an adjustment layer, trim the parts you don't need, and add your shake effect. So I've added my shake effect. If you guys want it, make sure. I mean, I'll give you guys everything I have, like my presets, my text presets, everything. Just help me reach 100K. I'll give you everything. This is it. So we're done with the animation, guys. I hope you liked the video. Consider subscribing and goodbye.